Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have some spoilers for the BoxyCharm September box. Now this is going to be variations, I do believe. I found this on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek if you want to go check her out. So the first one is the Hank and Henry new Slick With It eyeliner. You will either get that or the MAC Cosmetics Frost Lipstick in the shade BC96. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will update you guys. There are also some BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe spoilers linked down below. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.